Hai.
From Shopee saya.
Ya betul.
Check case salah.
Ya betul.
Letak mana?
Letak bawah je.
Ini boleh ya?
Ya.
Jangan ambil ya.
Okay, sama.
Terima kasih.
Okay. Hi, I'm Shaki. Welcome to my video which I'm doing teaching while learning electronic. So let's get through it. Recently I just bought a soldering station. It takes time to me to do survey and kind of go through which soldering station I want to buy. I watched different review and then I decided to buy EEVblog 8786D. What I do here is I make two sections here, which is soldering station and electronic station. As I move power supply to electronic station. Right, I'm just gonna set up soldering station here. At the electronic station, which I do assembly, electronic component, prototype, troubleshoot electronic stuff and much more. That's all I think. So far I got power supply, multimeter and soldering station. Oscilloscope might be in the future, I guess. I'm not be using the old soldering anymore as I changed to this new station. So let's test EEVblog 8786D station, is it great or not? I started as hot rework first by setting up to 350 degrees Celsius. It takes around 2 minutes to take off the caps. Next I test soldering, which I set to 350 Celsius. I think it should be 250 Celsius is enough, as I do some finding on the internet. It shows that 250 degrees Celsius is enough for soldering. I think we all make mistakes, as I'm still beginner in electronic. That's how we learn to become better, right? That's all for me. If you got any question regarding soldering or anything, you can leave the comment below. Alright, that's all for me. See ya.